Hello. Today we're making some cheese sauce. Should turn on the oven. It should turn it off. I need to put the milk in first. So I've heard, I've never actually made a cheese sauce before, which is surprising because I'm Cheesebot. But today we're gonna be trying it out. I'm sure my natural aptitude with cheese will carry me through the process. So I'm going to start with half a cup of milk here. Might add more later. Oop. And we're going to heat that up. We're not using the induction cooker today because I'm already experimenting trying to make the cheese sauce. I don't need to also be putzing around with the induction cooker. So, yeah, we got some of that mild cheddar. This is about 3.5 ounces. I know because I just held it, and no, we have a scale over there. So we're gonna try shredding it so that it melts faster, and we'll see how it goes. I guess I should turn down the burner size. Okay. I'm also gonna let that heat up. Oh, it's ready. We're calling that ready. Man, I don't like this all-in-one cheese shredder board. It's going great. Maybe I should have shredded it into a bowl and then dumped the bowl in. I think that's a better idea. What do you think? I think that's a great idea. Okie dokie. Okay, we got a bowl. A big bowl to catch all the cheese. And we're gonna turn that down. Yeah, that's much better. Don't have to worry about it hitting the sides and being all weird. Okay, good enough. We're just gonna plop that one right in there. Turn the heat back up. Get all that cheese in the bowl. All that cheese in the bowl. We also need a stirring stick. I'm a bobber. Stirring stick, I'm a bobber. Turn the heat up a bit more. We're on 7 out of high. I'll put some more cheese in there. I think we're gonna need more milk. Oh, if you didn't know, it's 4 ounces of cheese is like a cup shredded. So when things call for shredded cheese and all you have is a scale, that's how you can convert. So this is about, what did I say, it was 3.5 ounces, so it's going to be like 7/8 of a cup. And we added half a cup of milk, so I think we're going to need more milk if we're going to use all this cheese. I also think we're going to need something. More cheese probably, huh? Yeah, that's the ticket. Turn down the heat a little bit. Now we're on 6 out of high. More cheese. Oh. It's okay. I'll eat that later. More cheese. You know what this needs? This needs some gluten. Gluten. We need some gluten. Yeah. We got some flour. I think it'll need it. Or maybe cornstarch would be better. But cornstarch will add a corny flavor. Corny. I don't know how much that was. Less than half a cup. Stop it. Okay. It's looking better, I guess. Maybe. Maybe kinda. Shut up. Yeah, that's looking much better. I think we need more flour though. I should be using actual measurements instead of just less than half a cup, but whatever. Add flour till ready. That'll be the recipe. Oh yeah, that's looking much better. Although I don't know how to get rid of all those little grainy looking doodads. Okie dokie. It's looking real good. I think we need more milk though. Because it's getting kind of thick. So let's grab some more milk. Let's try like a 1-to-1 ratio on the milk to cheese. So we're going to add math number 3/8 cup of milk ish. Oh, that might have been too much. Well, we have more cheese and more flour too, so it's okay. Okay, oh man, the worst. That was hot, really hot. I think we're gonna need more cheese. Unless we want really liquidy cheese sauce, I guess. But let's just see what we can do. Let's do some stirring. It's looking better. Yeah, pretty good. We're gonna put some more cheese in because it doesn't look yellow enough. I should probably be trying this as I go along, huh? Do I have... Oh my goodness. What can I put it on? Let me see if I have anything I can put it on. I was gonna make macaroni after this. It's just the same thing as spaghetti. You just boil water, slap some noodles in there, wait for like 7 minutes, I think it was. I can use this. Chip. We have some chips. Fondue. Okay. More cheese. All the cheese. All the cheese. Every single drop. Okay. Stir that up. After I wash my hand a little bit. Ka-choom. That's looking good. I think I'm getting good at this cooking stuff, guys and girls. Actually, I think more girls watch my stuff than guys. So maybe I should say girls and guys. I don't know. I don't think it matters. We're calling that good. We're gonna put it on low heat because I didn't think ahead and didn't make noodles. How long was that? That was, holy moly, 11 minutes? Well, a bunch of that was shredding the cheese, so I guess, and I don't think I need to cook it this long, really. Anyways, we're breaking out the induction cooker and making some mac and cheese, and then once that's done, I'll turn you back on and show you me pouring it on and stuff. So I will be back. I don't know how much mac and cheese or macaroni to make, so we'll see. Haha, bye. Okay, they're done. You've been recording for 13 minutes. So that took longer than expected, I guess. Maybe macaroni takes longer. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna drain this, put in the cheese sauce. I'll be back, I guess. Maybe, possibly, probably. Okay. Got the cheese sauce. Oh, that whole time while the noodles were cooking, I just had the cheese sauce on low and I was stirring it every now and again. And I put in a little bit more flour just to see what would happen. Nothing happened. So let's turn off the oven. There's our cheese sauce. Yum. We're just gonna dump it all on because I like cheese. You know what we need? A different scraper. Oh well. And a stronger hand. Looking good. Although I think it needs more cheese. Probably should increase the cheese to milk ratio. 2 cheeses for every milk. I also might have made too much macaroni. Ah well. I just eyeballed it and hoped for the best because when I eyeballed that spaghetti, it was perfect. And actually this might be perfect too. Now that I stir it in. It's also getting really thick really quick, probably because it's cooling down. So maybe the milk to cheese ratio is fine. I don't know, I'll know in a couple minutes probably, but there it is. Mac and cheese with my experimental cheese sauce. Shut up! I think that means it's done cooling. Okay, now I need a fork, and I'll try some and tell you how delicious it is and how good I am at cooking. Okay. Less flour. Actually, maybe that amount of flour is okay. No, less flour, more cheese. How much flour did I even add? Less than half a cup. So I think I added maybe a little over a fourth total. So that's what, 7/8 cup of cheese, 7/8 cup of milk. Maybe 3/8 cup of flour I added, maybe. Yeah, pretty good. I like it. Just more cheese next time. I think I'll make a couple more of these. It's not centered, whatever. I'll make this a couple more times, master my recipe, and maybe make a video in the future of a better cheese sauce. But I just wanted to record my first attempt. Pretty good. Also, video coming up soon. I have a couple cheese cutters. There's this one. This one. It's got the thing. I got the one you've seen. I got that one there. I'll just tell you what I think of them and stuff. Clap. Video done. See you next time.